What is going on? James from Act Audio, and today we are wrapping up this '08 Electra Glide. A customer came in, he was looking for a new radio because his other radio broke. He was looking for something basic. After talking with him and showing him what was available, something we like to do here is educate customers. We don't try to be pushy. We just want you to make the best decision for yourself. Showed him what was available, he chose. But we got a much bigger project, and I'm gonna flip this around. I'm gonna show you what we did. It's a simple audio system, but it upgrades this '08 to be more like a modern bike. So first thing you'll notice is we changed out his fairing. Original one had a single DIN radio, and we installed this Sony high-powered 7000 radio. On top of that, we'll let it load up here. His steering wheel controls work, both sides. It does have CarPlay. We added a USB right here. He can plug in his phone to give him CarPlay through this. If you want wireless CarPlay, we do have a device that we can add on to that USB to give you wireless CarPlay. Coming around to the back side, you'll see we did the Hertz SX165 Neos and the Hertz SP 4.500 amp to the Sony 7000. These older bikes have a lot of wiring in them, so everything's analog, but you can see our wiring we made sure is nice and clean and as factory as we can.